Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to share with you guys what's going to be in my toddler's Valentine's Day basket. I did make one last year, but it was a lot bigger. But this year we are toning it down for two reasons. One, we booked our next trip, so we're on a budget. And two, she got so much from Christmas that I'm like, all right, we need to relax. She doesn't have much room in her playroom right now. I still need to, do the rotation. Anyway, point of the video. This is going to be basically a little toddler Valentine's Day basket on a budget. So let's go ahead and show you what I got. So the first thing is this guy. We got this at Dollar Tree, and it's super cute. It says "Be Mine." My husband's is also going to be on a budget. I got him one as well. So I'm gonna try to put everything in here. We'll see. I'm hoping it all fits. Again, we'll see. So also at Dollar Tree, I saw this. It did come together. I did unattach it. Her favorite breakfast, one of her favorite breakfast items is peanut butter and jelly. So I got her these. It's so cute. I know she's gonna love putting them in her kitchen. And she actually saw this one. I wouldn't let it go, so I grabbed it, and it's a little cupcake. So it's super duper cute. And then I believe I showed this in a past video, but I was waiting for this video to go ahead and put this in her Valentine's Day basket, bucket, whatever you guys want to call that thing. Anyways, all right. And then I got, actually, was this? Yeah. So Target Dollar Spot section. Target Dollar Spot section. Okay, yeah. They had some awesome things this time when I went, so I am so excited. One of the things I got two of, so they have this like slide and learn flashcards. So my daughter is actually really good with opposites, so this one is of opposites. I really want to, for other ones that are like up, down, she kind of already knows those from watching, Coco Melon and stuff like that, and Miss Rachel. But I really wanted to get this one. So that was only $3, guys. I feel like that's a deal. And then I picked up feelings. We really need to work on some of her feelings and emotions. So like they have grumpy and mad. And again, I feel like it's just really beneficial for her age to get this. So I got those. And then also in the same section, I thought these were so cute. And they were totally hidden in the bottom shelves, pushed all the way to the back, which is this. And this was $3 as well. So again, she loves her kitchen. She loves playing kitchen. She says, "Papi, I'm going to cook." And then she calls me to wash the dishes for some reason. But yeah, so it's like, it's so cute. It's a little tray, and it comes with like little cookies, the plates, and the little tweezer thing. What's it called? I don't even know right now. For her to grab the items. And I thought this was so cute for $3. And then also for $3 right next to it was this. So it's basically a little teapot. She loves, she actually says coffee. So you can actually put water in this. So when she gets bigger, she'll be able to put water in it. And it comes with the 2 cups inside. And again, this was only $3. If I can close it, there we go. It was only $3. And then the last things I got, which I'm hoping actually fit, are these guys. They're mini LOLs. I gave her some in her stocking, but I didn't show you guys because we got sick. But yeah, so it basically comes with a little person inside. And she actually really loves these. She calls them babies. So I got her 2 of those. I also got her this You Make My Heart Melt cup. She actually picked this at Dollar Tree. But I actually think I'm going to give this to her on February 1st. And I'm going to put a silicone straw in there so that she could drink her water off of this for the whole month, not just like, for Valentine's Day. Now, let's see if it fits in here. Okay, so the biggest thing that's going in there is going to be this guy. So I got to figure out to see how I'm actually going to put it in there. So let's see. Maybe I've even thought of opening this and putting the pieces inside here so be ready to go. We'll see. Let's see if I just try to put everything in there first and see what happens. This she won't really probably be excited for. She probably won't even really know what it is. So right. I'm sorry you guys are getting the glare from the lights. fits good. See, like this is like too big to fit in there. No, I mean it is, but it's like it's not at the same time. All right, let's put the little jelly right back here, and let's put the peanut butter hiding on this side. Actually, that doesn't look too bad. Let's see, get the glare out of the way. Oh, that's cute. Okay, I don't hate it. I really wish I could have made that fit better, but yeah, that's what it looks like. All right, guys, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I know it is super duper simple and easy and affordable, but I really, really hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I appreciate every like, every comment, and every single one of you guys. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.